Hello everyone. We have a guest Pathrudu Chintakayala from Vizag, and he is the official UiPath chapter lead for Vizag, and he is the second person who cleared the test automation engineer certification in the world. Hearty congratulations, Pathrudu.
Thank you.
Welcome. So, Pathrudu, how is the feeling in the exam?
So in the exam, it went very quite well because I was already working on the same product since last 1.5 year. So it doesn't make much difference for me when I appear for that because all the questions I have seen are like as part of my experience, and nothing went out of the documentation. So that was one good thing.
And what makes you more energy for giving the videos and doing a lot of things in community? So, what makes you?
See, what energy in the sense like I was uh, wanna give the community back the things like what I where I learned the things. So initially in 2018 back, I used to be active in forum, but I never came in front of the people or I never delivered any sessions. But I think I did that first with you during the developer con series, and then I started my channel and then I started giving the things back, and especially my trending things are UiPath test suite videos,
Yes.
because those are the latest features which UiPath had implemented. And though we have a lot of content across the YouTube on the topics for UiPath test suite, but this is a new features like which with the 2030 23 version. So I when I was implementing these scenarios, I was uh, struggled a bit because I need to go through the documentation and do it. So I thought of like sharing that as well across that community so that like it will be helpful for the others. So that's the only thing.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and all the best for 2024.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.